What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Again, I am Kyle with Limitless Powersports Service and Repair. Thanks for tuning back in on Project CR250. Today we're going to go over suspension. We got the front forks here. I'm going to do a time lapse of me taking them apart, cleaning it. I do have some new gaiters, new boots in. Got a brand new fork seal and dust seal set. The bushings feel pretty good, but we'll double check that when we get in the inside. And I'm not sure if I'm going to powder coat these or Cerakote these yet. I'm going to clean them all up, see what they look like, and make the decision from there. We're going to start off by, we're going to pull this these boots off. They're old. I got some brand new ones in, and then we'll pull the Schrader valve out. We'll break the fork cap loose, and then we'll take it and we'll separate it out. So let's get this gator off here real quick.
But I learned how to walk and I taught myself how to run. Been moving so fast now, running the past, can only do that for so long. But I still got the fire, I'm a midnight flyer with this one thing that I know. I didn't do this on my own. No, I didn't do this on my own. I stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, I went and done it anyway. Stuck to my guns when there's been hell to pay. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. No, I didn't do this on my own. Well, I built a lot of bridges and I crossed more lines than anyone that I know. And I paid my dues and planted them seeds, and I'm reaping now what I sowed. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. No, I didn't do this on my own. I stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, I went and done it anyway. Stuck to my guns when there's been hell to pay. Oh,
think of you. I'm on my way down. They'll say that I'll never go back for you. I'm bad for you. Say nothing more. I'll fight until I'm black and blue. I'm just a man with nothing left to lose. You make me feel like I am bulletproof. I'd run through fire just to get to you. Till I'm black and blue. I smoke my last cigarette, I'm good for you. I'm hooked, I'm addicted to the taste of you. Your lips, no, there's nothing sweeter around. One kiss will lay me out on the ground. They'll say that I'll never go back for you. I'm bad for you. Say nothing more. I'll fight until I'm black and blue. I'm just a man with nothing left to lose. You make me feel like I am bulletproof. I'd run through fire just to get to you. Till I'm black and blue.
All right, guys, you can see how nasty the fork oil was that came out of this thing. I couldn't tell you the last time it was changed. Honestly, it might have been holding fork oil. Don't really care. Going to change it out anyways. The bushings and stuff look really good. I got to clean it all up here real quick, but all the bushings look really good. We'll see. So far, well, that one actually, I might have to replace that one. I don't know yet. I have to take a look at it. But I will throw this stuff in a parts washer, run some Scotch-Brite over it. I'm going to clean up some of this rust right here, just nice and easy. Nothing down, everything down here on the lower end of the fork looks pretty good. And then we're going to run this through the parts cleaner, clean everything up, and then we'll get a look at what we got. All right, guys, got everything cleaned up in the parts washer. Everything turned out pretty nice. I think I'm going to take the lower fork legs and I'm going to run them on my brass wire wheel. I'm going to clean these up, and I think I'm going to probably, like I said before, either Cerakote them or powder coat them. I'm not sure what color. I'm not going to make this motorcycle completely stock looking anymore. I'm going to do some little things of my own on there. But I do need to order some new bushings. The bushings are starting to look a little bad. This one's not so bad. But this one here, you can see all the nylon material, all the material on there is starting to come off. So they are still available for this 1984 CR. So we're going to do that. I'm going to throw these on a wire wheel. I'll get those bushings on order today. I do have, they say these from All Balls. They're fork seals and dust seals. They're a little bit different. The dust seals that we have, the OEM ones, actually have a metal outside that sit flush on top and make it kind of close it all off. The ones I have here are just like your standard rubber ones. So we'll see what those look like. These still look pretty good. I may reuse these with the new fork seals. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how these clean up. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on a wire wheel, and I'll show you guys what they look like when I'm done. All right, so I just ran everything out on my wire wheel. I did check. We do need bushings. They are bad. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's going south. Been a little under the weather here. But check this out, man. These things came out phenomenal. I'm not sure if I want to Cerakote them, powder coat them, or just polish them and clear them. I really like this nice bright look. Like I said, they came out good. The dampeners, cleaned all that up. They came out really, really nice. Did the sleeves, the spacer sleeves, cleaned those up. The washers, everything cleaned up. Even the little clamps for the boots that go on the outside of the fork tube, cleaned up really nice. Everything cleaned up really, really good. So hopefully I get bushings in the next few days. And I'm going to go ahead and probably post this a little early and see if you guys can't give me an idea of what you think I should do. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should leave them alone and just clear them out, or buff them out really good, or Cerakote them a different color, or powder coat. I don't have any of the Cerakote tools or powder coating stuff, but it's something I want to get into and start doing. Be fun for some of the builds I want to do for this channel. And hopefully you guys enjoy what I got here for you.